Sales are flooding in by the freaking truckload. You can't believe it. It's amazing. People love your product. They love your service. What now? What does a day look like, right? Literally, my day when I wake up is I wake up, I check stats, I send a mail to my list, and hours later, I have hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars pouring in from affiliate commissions from the email I sent out that morning with the link in it. I mean, it's unbelievable, man. And you can do this from anywhere in the world, all over the planet, as long as you have a laptop and a Wi-Fi connection.
Hey, how you doing? It's Matthew Neer, and I'm assuming that you want to make some money from the comfort of your own home, or else you wouldn't have clicked on that link that sent you here today. If you hang out and watch the entire video with me all the way until the end, I will share with you a proven system that I use as an affiliate marketer to promote other people's products and services online to earn massive commissions, just like you saw moments ago. But hang on, before I reveal my secret formula, S plus IS plus ST equals big commissions, I want to ask you a question. Do you have an extra 10 to 15 minutes per day that you could spend to create an automated affiliate business? Let me ask you one more question. Do you want to work with an expert, someone who's already made millions of dollars online and who's won multiple different awards for earning those millions from the biggest companies online, such as ClickBank, Digistore, ClickFunnels, and more? How would you like it if that person did all the hard work for you while you just sit back, relax, and collect big fat commission checks on a weekly or even daily basis? If you answered yes, then congratulations, because you are about to discover exactly how my top secret formula works. So make sure you're sitting down and you've got all distractions turned off. Close the Facebook tab, put your cell phone on silent, and close the door so that you can pay extra close attention to this video right now. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to do something I've never done before and that I will probably never do again. I'm going to give you my entire automated online business system for just $1.63 per day. The exact same business that allows me to generate thousands of dollars in online commissions per day, all from the comfort of my own home. So whether I'm out on a yacht for the day enjoying the beautiful waters of Miami Beach, or speaking from stage at $5,000 per person events like WebinarCon and sharing the very secrets I'm about to disclose to you in this video, my system keeps on making me money by presenting, selling, and collecting payments in an automated fashion 24 hours per day, 7 days per week, 365 days per year. But the coolest part about this system is that not only does it work incredibly well for me, but it works amazingly well for others too. This is George Ball. He sent me a message on Facebook one day to tell me he's now making over $100,000 per month, all thanks to my amazing marketing systems. I know that it might sound a little unbelievable at first, but have you ever experienced automated online income? I'm talking about money that just pops up into your account whether you work or not. Money that keeps on getting deposited into your bank account day after day while you are at the movies, while you are out on a date, while you are working out at the gym, or even while on vacation. I'm sure you've seen things like this out there before on the internet, but have you ever experienced it? Because if you haven't, it's probably because you do not understand the following secret. You see, right now, this video that you're watching is playing thousands of times per day in multiple different countries all over the entire world. But do I have to sit here and physically explain this over and over again like a damn fool? Of course not, because this presentation was recorded once and it now provides leverage for me, presenting, explaining, and selling for me 24 hours per day, 365 days per year, even on holidays. But the best part is that I never have to pick up the phone and sell anything to anyone because my system does all of that for me automatically. And because I use the leverage of a system, I can be anywhere in the world and my business still runs for me automatically. But these days, you'll find me taking a yacht out for the day with loads of beautiful women and enjoying the amazing Miami skyline. Now, do you think that because I'm out on a yacht for the day that my business stops making sales? Nope, not a chance. And the reason why is what I already shared with you in the first part of my secret formula, S, which stands for system. Let me ask you a question. Do you know anyone who is a high-paid professional like a doctor or a lawyer? Sometimes they can make upwards of $1,000 per hour. But guess what? If they don't show up to their office to see patients or clients that day, they do not get paid. There is no leverage in that. Whether you are a high-paid professional or a barista at Starbucks, you are still trading your time for money and you have no leverage. No matter how you look at it, if you stop working, you stop making money. What I want you to understand is that any form of personal selling, such as phone calls, in-person meetings, live webinars, or any other kind of one-on-ones, is not an automated system. But luckily for you, the Speed Wealth system, the very same system that you are experiencing right now, is an automated selling system designed to generate sales for you and all of our other members, just like this guy. This is a picture of Joel Tyrion and myself hanging out at Guitar Hotel in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And Joel, he's made over $300 million online. One of my marketing systems helped him earn over $90,000 in just one of the income streams we're going to talk about here today. And here's what Joel had to say about me. Matthew's training is simply amazing. After applying what I learned, I easily added an additional 6 figures in commissions to my bottom line for multiple different income streams. If you're on the fence about working with Matthew Neer, just do it. It'll be one of the best decisions you've ever made. Listen, it's like this. My powerful automated marketing system is working for me 24 hours per day, 365 days per year, but unlike an employee, it does not take any days off. It still works on holidays, birthdays, and even vacations to sell for me, do the email follow-up for me, and even trains new members for me on how they could use the system for themselves, all on 100% autopilot. As you are watching this video, I could be on a yacht right now enjoying the sunset, or maybe I'm catching a flight to an exotic travel destination anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter because once you turn it on, the system keeps on selling for me and bringing in fresh new sales like clockwork, day in, day out, month after month. Here's a few examples of the kind of money I'm making, like $249,000 just last month in one of my accounts. Or how about a cool 50 grand in yet another account? Here's another one with over $400,000 in commissions paid out. And look, I could keep on going and going, but I think you get the point. And I'm just curious, but would you like to know another secret to my formula? And maybe if you're smart, you already caught on and you know what I'm about to say. But did you notice how I'm getting multiple payments from multiple different companies? That's because the second part of my formula, IS, stands for income streams, which means my system allows you to earn from multiple different income streams, all built into one marketing system. Believe me when I tell you the smartest thing you could do is build multiple streams of income. It's never smart to depend on one source for all the money you make. In fact, most millionaires have an average of 7 or more income streams at any one given time, which is why my automated marketing system promotes more than just one income stream. And you know what else? It's way more fun to receive multiple checks, direct deposits, wire transfers, and payment notifications than just one. Here's what another one of my students has to say. This is Daniel Kump, and after using my simple marketing systems, he's added an additional 6 figures in commissions paid out to his bottom line, and now he's having $1,000 days like it's a routine. And the coolest thing is, what he's doing to earn that money only takes him a few minutes per day. You will discover a few secrets as you learn more, but for now, just know that the third part of my secret formula, ST, stands for specialized traffic. If you're not getting highly targeted specialized traffic to your website, you are not making any money, because in order for you to make a sale, you need a proven and effective way to expose what you're selling to people already interested in buying it from you. Or put another way, you need to advertise, because no matter how amazing your product, service, or opportunity is, no one can buy anything from you if they cannot find what you are selling. This is also one of the major reasons most people fail when they join an online business promising to make them rich. You need a predictive and consistent way to make sales in your new opportunity. Most people join a new deal, get their affiliate link, and post it on social media websites, hoping and praying that they get traffic, only to fail miserably and give up just 2 days later. And again, the reason is because most people just don't know how to advertise correctly to generate consistent sales. If you want to make easy sales online, then you must have an easy way of generating consistent, highly targeted, specialized traffic to your website. Most people, when they're starting an online business, do not know the right ways to generate buyer traffic. Other systems or opportunities out there are simply incomplete. They may teach you a great method on how to make money, but they leave you hanging at the end when they say, okay, now just drive traffic. And you might be left asking yourself, what traffic? And to what website? And you see, that's the difference with what we have here inside the Speed Wealth system. It is complete. Because when you get inside the system for a small fee, you have everything you need to start making fast and large commissions inside the members area. The Speed Wealth system comes complete with websites, affiliate links, multiple income streams, and even multiple traffic sources, both free and paid, that get you sales and commissions. All you have to do is become a member, connect your income streams, and start earning commissions. If you're sitting here listening to this video and you're skeptical, listen, I get it. I've made this sound almost unrealistically easy, and I would understand if you did not believe a word I had to say. But listen, what if I am telling you the truth and we really have made it that easy? Would that be worth a small fee to find out for yourself? I mean, I've been using systems like this one for many years, and they help me do a few very specific things very, very well. The first thing, and arguably the most powerful thing that this system has helped me do, is build a massive email list that I could use to generate money anytime I want at the click of a button. And just in case you've not caught on yet, this system allows you to build your own email list as well. The second thing that the Speed Wealth system has enabled me to do is earn from multiple different income streams at the exact same time and achieve financial freedom for myself and my entire family by putting many hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars in my bank. But again, do not listen to me. Listen to what one of my clients has to say. This is a picture of me with Richard and John Weberg, who, after using one of my amazing marketing systems, have now earned over $44,000 in commissions in just one of their income streams. That's not counting the other $100K they earned in the other one. Here's what they had to say about working with me. We had an amazing time hanging out with Matthew in Las Vegas. What a crazy event. After implementing just one of Matthew's marketing systems, we earned over $44,000 with probably the least amount of effort in anything I've ever done before. As you can see, when someone puts my secret formula into action, they get results. But for most people, they do not need an extra 5 or 6 figures per year. In fact, most are happy with an extra $1,000 or $2,000 per month to pay their bills. That's enough for most people to buy a new car or more than cover their mortgage each month. And now you can use my system to make all the extra money you've ever wanted. If you've always wanted to live a life of luxury, buy the supercars and the mansions and take yachts out almost every weekend, or maybe you just want to pay off the bills and make some extra cash on the side to help cover your living expenses, then the Speed Wealth system is exactly what you have been looking for. You deserve the finer things in life. Your family deserves that. And with the Speed Wealth system, it could finally be yours. But in order to make that change in your life, you need to make a decision and click that button below to buy this system. But before you do, let me just say one more thing. I've spent a very long time in this industry, and I've seen virtually every single kind of product, service, or opportunity come and go. And after probably losing well over $100,000 buying different systems over the years, I had to learn the hard way which ones are good and which ones to stay away from. And of course, which ones are the real winners. So you can either, number one, do the same thing I did and waste years of your life and tens of thousands of dollars trying to figure out what works and what doesn't and probably fail and give up. Or number two, you can listen to me, an expert in the industry who's already made millions of dollars online and who's currently offering you guidance and mentorship if you buy the Speed Wealth system. Oh, and by the way, the Speed Wealth system is your very first income stream that pays you a very generous 50% commission on everything the system sells for you. Plus, when you get inside the members area, there are even more income streams you could add to your new affiliate business that also pay you roughly, on average, a 50% commission. Here's what happens next. Once you click the buy button below and make your small payment, the system will automatically create your account for you and automatically send you a unique login to your email address. Next, our system is set up to automatically clone this exact website and system. You will have an exact duplicate of this website complete with multiple high-paying affiliate income streams on the back end, just like I do. Plus, it even clones the email and SMS follow-up systems we have in place and customizes them for you without you having to do anything other than create your account. Then, when you start using the specialized traffic systems we share with you inside the members area, you begin earning commissions almost right away. Because remember, the Speed Wealth system is also your first income stream that pays you a very generous 50% commission. Just a few referrals every month could earn you hundreds, even thousands of dollars per month from only a few minutes of work per day. The Speed Wealth system is what we like to call a self-liquidating offer, or SLO for short, which means the commissions on the front end of the system alone are oftentimes enough to offset the cost of advertising, or in many cases, even make your advertising 100% free. Just think about that for a moment. Would you trade $1 in advertising to immediately make that $1 back with a massive opportunity for that customer to buy more from you the exact same day? In a situation like that, your cost of advertising is zero. It is 100% free with unlimited upside potential. Would you make that trade? Because that is exactly what the Speedwell system does, and it even continues to pay you long after the first sale is made. Next, you'll have the opportunity to earn recurring commissions and even high ticket commissions from some of the other income streams that we have available to you inside the members area. When your referrals buy those, you'll earn additional commissions monthly, weekly, and even daily from those additional affiliate income streams. So here's the deal. I want to see you be successful and earn a bunch of money here. And the reason why this works for both of us is because each time you make some money, I make a little bit of money myself too. My incentive to help you is very, very high. And if we work together, if we work hard together, we can both make millions. So what are you waiting for? Click the button and create your account today so you can start making some money. This should be the easiest decision you've ever made because I'm giving you my entire marketing system handed to you on a silver platter, and it's even 100% risk-free because you can cancel your account anytime that you would like. You truly have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Remember, this is a proven system that I have used personally for many years to make loads of commissions, and now we're giving the power of it to you. And honestly, the price that you will pay for this system here today is very, very low compared to the earning potential that you will receive. There's no guarantee as to how long I can keep the system priced this low, so take action now and grab your spot. I cannot keep this offer open forever. I want you to make a decision. Listen, whether you join the system or not will not change my life. We built this for you, but all I ask is that you make a decision, that you decide. I need you to make a yes or a no decision. Answering maybe is unacceptable. Make your choice and then take action. So, what's it going to be? Click the button below this video right now, take action, and buy it. And as soon as you do, the system will automatically generate your account, your website, and allow you to plug into multiple different income streams all inside one easy-to-use automated marketing system. Go ahead and do it right now, and I'll see you on the other side.